Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the benefits of Podio. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. What is the one thing that's always getting in the way of your productivity? For me, it's the fact that I'm constantly juggling a million different tasks and projects. And it's not just me. I know that many of you are in the same boat. That's why I'm so excited to share with you today a tool that can help you get more done in less time. Podio is a project management software that can help you organize your work, track your progress, and collaborate with your team. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the key benefits of Podio. Benefits of Podio. Podio is highly customizable. One of the things I love about Podio is that it's highly customizable. This means that you can tailor it to your specific needs and workflows. For example, you can create custom fields, workflows, and automations. This allows you to track the information that's most important to you and automate repetitive tasks. Podio is easy to use. Podio is also very easy to use. Even if you're not a tech-savvy person, you can get up and running in no time. Podio is affordable. Podio is a very affordable option compared to other project management software. Podio is a great way to collaborate with your team. Podio is a great way to collaborate with your team. You can share files, tasks, and comments with your team members. You can also use Podio to track your team's progress and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Podio is a great way to stay organized. Podio can help you stay organized by providing you with a central place to store all of your work. You can also use Podio to create to-do lists, track your deadlines, and set reminders. Podio is a great way to save time. Podio can help you save time by automating repetitive tasks, such as creating new tasks, sending emails, and generating reports. Podio is a great way to improve your productivity. Overall, Podio is a great way to improve your productivity. By using Podio, you can get more done in less time, stay organized, and collaborate with your team more effectively. If you're looking for a way to improve your productivity, I highly recommend checking out Podio. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I encourage you to sign up for a free trial of Podio today and see for yourself how it can help you get more done.